Did you know the average car repair bill can run you over $500 per visit? And if it's something major, like an engine or transmission repair, you're looking at thousands of dollars. But what if I told you there are simple tricks that can save you all that money, and you can do them yourself? Today, I'm going to show you some of the easiest, most cost-effective car hacks that will keep your ride running smoothly and your wallet happy. Let's dive in and start saving you some serious cash. Number 1. Drill holes to prevent water buildup. Let's talk about a simple trick that can save you thousands of dollars on car repairs by drilling a small hole in the right place. Sounds crazy, right? But hear me out. Over time, water can build up inside your car's headlight assemblies due to bad seals, tiny cracks, or even condensation. That trapped water doesn't just look bad. It can ruin your headlight's functionality and even cause costly electrical damage. Replacing an entire headlight assembly can set you back hundreds or even thousands of dollars depending on the car. But here's the genius fix. Drill a tiny hole at the lowest point of the headlight assembly. This allows any trapped water to drain out naturally, stopping the damage in its tracks. You don't need expensive tools. A basic drill and a small bit will do the job. And don't worry about harming your car. This won't affect the headlight's integrity because your car isn't a submarine. This trick isn't just for headlights either. If water ever gets trapped in other areas, like taillights or certain compartments, you can apply the same method. By simply letting water escape, you avoid corrosion, electrical shorts, and the need for costly replacement. Number 2. Use polymer sealants for leaks. Whether it's an engine, transmission, or power steering system leak, the costs can skyrocket because getting to those seals often means pulling out the engine or transmission entirely. But here's a game-changing solution. Use a polymer-based sealant to stop the leak without tearing your car apart. These sealants work by rejuvenating the rubber seals inside your car, making them more supple and elastic so they can form a tight seal again. What makes this trick so brilliant is that it's simple to use and incredibly effective in most cases. You just pour the sealant into the affected system, whether it's your engine oil, transmission fluid, or even power steering, and let it work its magic. The sealant seeps into the rubber and restores its flexibility, allowing it to hold tight against the moving parts it's supposed to seal. This can save you thousands by avoiding major repairs. Now, is it a miracle cure? Not always. If the seal is completely shredded, you'll need a full replacement. But for minor to moderate leaks, it's a lifesaver. Best of all, it doesn't clog your system, like the old school snake oil fixes you might have heard about, so there's no risk of causing more damage. This quick, cost-effective hack is a no-brainer if you want to keep your car running smoothly without breaking the bank. If you're finding this video helpful, then do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. Number 3. Repair with JB Weld or similar epoxy. Yes, this steel-reinforced adhesive can handle everything from cracks in engine components to fixing a broken headlight assembly, and it's so effective that it might just save you thousands. The secret lies in its incredible strength and versatility. JB Weld forms a bond so tough that it can seal cracks in metal, plastic, or other materials, often outlasting the original part itself. Let me give you an example. Imagine you've got a cracked engine head leaking coolant. Normally, fixing that would involve a costly trip to the mechanic or replacing the entire part, which could cost you thousands. But with JB Weld, you can take a drill to the ends of the crack to stop it from spreading, mix up the epoxy, and press it firmly into the crack. After letting it cure overnight, the repair can be so strong that it holds for years, saving you from a repair bill that could wipe out your wallet. This trick isn't just for big jobs either. Whether you're patching a cracked reservoir, securing loose components, or fixing minor cosmetic damage, JB Weld gets the job done. It's cheap, easy to use, and incredibly reliable. Just remember, patience is key. While it sets quickly, you'll want to give it enough time to fully cure before using the repaired part. This one simple product can turn daunting car repairs into DIY projects and save you a fortune in the process. Number 4. Restore cloudy headlights with toothpaste. Over time, your car's plastic headlights can become cloudy or yellowed due to oxidation from sun exposure and weather. This doesn't just look bad, it can reduce your visibility at night, making driving more dangerous. Replacing those headlights can cost a fortune, but there's a ridiculously easy fix sitting in your bathroom cabinet. All you need is toothpaste, a cloth, and a bit of elbow grease. Toothpaste contains mild abrasives, which work like a polish to scrub away that oxidized layer of plastic. Simply apply a generous amount of toothpaste to the headlight, rub it in circular motions with a damp cloth, and rinse it off with water. In just a few minutes, your headlights will look noticeably clearer. For even better results, you can finish with a coat of wax or UV protectant to keep them shining longer. This trick is cheap, quick, and surprisingly effective. While it's not a permanent solution, it can extend the life of your headlights and improve visibility without dropping hundreds of replacements. So, the next time your headlights start looking dull, skip the repair shop and grab that toothpaste. Number 5. Fix minor exhaust leaks with exhaust tape or putty. Exhaust leaks can cause loud noises, reduced fuel efficiency, and even dangerous fumes entering your cabin. Mechanics will often recommend replacing the entire section of the exhaust system, which can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. But here's a simple DIY solution: exhaust repair tape or putty. These products are specially designed to withstand the high temperatures and pressure of an exhaust system. If you spot a small hole or crack, clean the area thoroughly, then wrap it with exhaust tape or apply the putty over the leak. Exhaust tape hardens as it heats up, forming a durable seal, while putty dries into a solid patch that can last for months or even longer. This fix is quick, easy, and costs just a fraction of what a full repair would. While it's not a permanent solution for heavily corroded systems, it's perfect for extending the life of your exhaust and avoiding costly replacements. However, it'll keep your car running quieter and more efficiently. So next time you hear that telltale exhaust rattle, grab some tape or putty and save yourself a small fortune. Number 6. Quiet squeaky belts with bar soap. While a worn-out belt may eventually need replacing, you can quiet it down in seconds with a household item you probably already have: bar soap. Here's how it works. With the engine off, take a bar of soap and gently rub it along the inside surface of the belt, the part that contacts the pulleys. The soap acts as a lubricant, reducing friction and silencing the squeal. Once you're done, start the car and listen to the difference. The annoying noise is gone, and you didn't spend a dime on repairs. This trick is especially useful for older belts that are still functional, but have started to harden or lose their grip. While it's not a permanent solution, it's a great way to buy yourself time until you're ready to replace the belt. However, it's incredibly easy and takes just a couple of minutes. Number 7. Patch a flat tire with a plug kit. A flat tire can ruin your day and rack up a hefty bill if you call for roadside assistance or head straight to the mechanic. But what if I told you there's an easy way to fix it yourself in minutes and for a fraction of the cost? Enter the tire plug kit, a must-have tool for every car owner. Here's how it works. If you spot a nail or a small puncture in your tire, don't panic. First, use the included tool to remove the nail or object. Then, take one of the rubber plugs from the kit, thread it into the plug insertion tool, and push it firmly into the hole. The plug seals the puncture, preventing air from escaping and letting you get back on the road almost immediately. This fix is simple, safe, and often more than enough to keep your tire running for months or even years, depending on the damage. It's perfect for small punctures in the tread, but avoid sidewall damage. Those tires need professional replacement. A plug kit costs just a few dollars and can be a real lifesaver when you're stranded. Not only does it save you the expense of a new tire or towing, but it also saves you valuable time. With a little practice, this quick DIY trick can keep you rolling without breaking the bank. Number 8. Unstick rusty bolts with heat. Rusty bolts can be a nightmare when you're working on your car. Whether you're replacing brake components, working on suspension parts, or doing engine repairs, a stuck bolt can turn a quick fix into an all-day headache or lead to costly mechanic fees. But here's a trick that works like magic. Use heat to loosen those stubborn bolts. Here's how to do it. Grab a propane torch or heat gun and carefully apply heat directly to the rusty bolt for about 30 to 60 seconds. The heat causes the metal to expand, breaking the rust's grip and making the bolt easier to turn. For extra effectiveness, spray a penetrating oil like WD-40 or PB Blaster on the bolt after heating it. The oil will seep into the newly expanded gaps, loosening it even further. This method is safe and highly effective if done carefully. It saves you from snapping the bolt, or worse, having to drill it out, which can lead to even bigger problems. Just make sure to work in a well-ventilated area and keep any flammable materials away from the heat. This simple trick doesn't just save you time and frustration, it can save you hundreds in repair shop fees for a job you can now handle yourself. Number 9. Fix loose interior. Trim with velcro strips. Loose interior trim in your car isn't just annoying, it can lead to rattles, vibrations, and even long-term damage if left unchecked. Mechanics might suggest replacing the entire panel, which can cost you hundreds of dollars. But here's a simple, budget-friendly fix: Velcro strips. Velcro strips are perfect for securing loose trim panels, sagging headliner, or even those stubborn plastic pieces that just won't stay in place. The process couldn't be easier. Clean the surfaces where the Velcro will stick. Attach one side of the strip to the car's interior and the other side to the loose trim, and press them together. The Velcro creates a strong, adjustable hold that keeps the trim secure, even on bumpy roads. What's great about this hack is that it's reversible. If you ever need to remove the trim for repairs or upgrades, you can just peel off the Velcro without damaging your car's interior. It's an affordable and effective solution to a problem that can otherwise cost you hundreds in part replacements or professional repairs. Number 10. Clean engine oil. Sludge with Marvel Mystery Oil. Engine oil sludge is a silent killer for your car. It clogs up vital passages, reduces engine efficiency, and can lead to expensive repairs like replacing timing components or even the entire engine. But before you panic, there's an affordable and easy fix that can help: Marvel Mystery Oil. This additive works wonders for cleaning out oil sludge. Simply add a small amount, about 20% of your oil capacity, into your engine oil. Then, run your car for about 15 to 20 minutes to allow the oil to circulate and break down the sludge. After that, drain the oil during your next oil change. You'll notice the oil comes out darker, carrying the loosened sludge with it. What makes Marvel Mystery Oil so effective is that it gently dissolves the sludge without harming seals, gaskets, or other components. It's especially useful for older engines that haven't seen regular oil changes and are prone to sludge buildup. Best of all, it's a preventative measure that can extend the life of your engine, improve performance, and save you from costly repairs. So, before shelling out thousands at a mechanic, give this simple treatment a try. It's like a detox for your engine. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, then do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your fellows.